Then somebody from the FA must come and address us why the coach not here.
So I'm going to remove Coach Helman.
Hold on. If he's not here, then he's not here.
Okay, so you don't want
Coach must come here.
Okay, hold on, guys.
No.
Coach Helman has come to do the interview, to which you guys are saying no, right?
Yes.
So I'm going to let Coach Helman go back to the dressing room, okay? And if you have no one here, are you satisfied with that?
Yes.
Okay. What do the rules say?
The rule says you have to have an interview. You have to have a press conference.
The head coach
The head coach is not coming. The assistant coach is here.
The head coach was not saying you should come here.
Can you tell us
Why is he not here?
Okay, why is he not here? Is there very reason?
Coach Helman can answer that if it is that we get the conference done.
No.
All right, then we're leaving. Coach, let's go.
But tell that guy must take us to